Let's see today some examples of polite requests we can ask our neighbors using would you mind, could, can. Let's go. Could you please tell me the next time you have a party? I'd like to make sure I'm not at home. Imagine your neighbors make a mess and they keep listening to loud music and you just want to get some sleep. Maybe it bothers you, you know. Can you turn the stereo off, please? The walls are really thin, so the sounds go through to my apartment. In that situation, maybe your neighbor just really loves listening to loud music all the time. Awful, huh? Would you mind closing the door behind you and making sure it locks? We don't want any strangers to enter the building. Well, if you live in a building, you share your living with others and you need to keep yourself safe. So you'd better make sure the gate or the door locks. Would you please tell your guests to use the visitor parking spaces? A lot of cars have been using my space recently. Well, parking area. Usually we have some specific parking spaces for visitors. So be sure your guests use the right spaces. Would you mind not putting your garbage in front of your door? It's not very pleasant to see it in the hallway. Oh, imagine your neighbor is lazy to take the garbage away. And then every time you open your door, you need to see that bag, that stinky bag in front of your door. That's just horrible, unacceptable. But that's part of life. Do you have any requests to make to your neighbor? Write here on the comment. We would like to hear. Thank you for being with us, and if you can support our channel, please subscribe. See you soon!